Good morning. Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Yes. This is trying to speak to.
Yeah.
Hi. Yes. So, this is. We offer a non-toxic dry cleaning system that cuts costs, eliminates hazardous waste, and includes full technical marketing support.
Mm-hmm.
Are you using a safe and eco-friendly option for your dry cleaning system? Like, what solvent are you using?
Yeah, I don't know the exact solvent, but it's hydrocarbon, so we use hydrocarbon.
Oh, you're using hydrocarbon? You have a real car? Okay. Well,
yeah.
I don't know if you're familiar with.
We've seen it at like the clean show and out and about.
Oh, you have seen it at the clean show? Okay.
Yeah.
Because the way it works, just a quick refresher, the way our solution is made from pure liquid silicone, which is an odorless, non-toxic fluid that's also found in personal care products like hair conditioners, sunscreen, moisturizers, and anti-aging products.
Uh-huh.
So it's guaranteed not to contaminate the property. It's not regulated by the EPA. And so we're the only environmentally non-toxic option for dry cleaning. A lot of others are carbon-based and considered ground contaminant or volatile organic compounds. And then being environmentally non-toxic with our solvent allows you to eliminate hazardous waste fees and other regulatory expenses. Quick question, like how long have you been using hydrocarbon before?
Well, we just switched our plant, so just a couple of years.
Okay, what were you using before?
We were using PERC.
You were using PERC?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are a replacement for PERC according to the dry cleaning and longitude independent studies done in the early 2000s. So I was calling. I mean, would you be open to? We just want to see if you just have your options open, just to kind of. I don't know the last time you kind of reviewed our solvent. We just kind of see if you just be open. I mean, can I send you an email about it?
Yeah, you can send me an email about it.
Okay. All right. What do you? Okay.
Yeah.
And then here, just so I can critique the email. So you dry clean on the premises?
Yes.
Okay. And then the solvent. What solvent do you currently use? You said hydrocarbon, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I always have to ask this. Are you in the market for buying a new or used machine?
Not current.
Okay, not currently. Okay,
Right.
that's fine. Like I said, we just want to see you open to this, to comparing at this stage. That's all.
Okay.
How many of your locations are plants?
Only one.
So it's just one location total, correct?
Yep, one plant location.
Okay, so one location. Okay, so you're right.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna send over an email. Would it be okay if I gave you a call back on Wednesday?
Yep. Yeah, that works just fine.
Okay, if I say how's this time? 11:30.
Yeah, that would work.
Okay, perfect. And then so I'll send you an email and a calendar invite for a phone call for Wednesday at 11:30.
Okay, sounds good.
We look forward to that. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Thanks.